Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear freshers, welcome to Chapur Islamia Alim Madrasa online class. I am Nasima Jahan, lecturer in English with you. Today we will discuss English first paper syllabus with you. You know that English has two parts and that are part paper 1 and 2. Each part has 100 marks. Generally, we teach first paper for first year as well as second paper. Dear students, you can take 6 online English class in a week. Since we will take both papers, you can get first 3 days first paper and later 3 days second paper. It is a fact of irony that we do not take our class physically because of coronavirus. Now, we should not spend a single moment. Let's go to our first paper syllabus analysis. Dear students, you have known the syllabus of Dakhil. There you learned 3 passages. One was unseen and another 2 were seen. But here all are seen, no unseen. You, like Dakhil, you get a similarity with first passage which is MCQ and answering questions. Here MCQ belongs to 5 marks, where question is 10 marks. Totally you can get first passage must have 15 marks. Now second passage. In second passage you have trying in Dakhil level 5 marks for fill in the gaps. Now for Alim class you have to introduce a new type of item which is matching, information transfer or flowchart with 10 marks. It is better to say that information transfer or matching is not unknown to you, but it is not in question number 2. Flowchart is totally a new figure for you. Now third passage. You will get to write down a summary in third passage. It is a common figure to you, but you learned it in unseen passage in Dakhil level. But you can get it in textual here and its marks is 5. Dear students, you have got 35 marks from 3 seen passage from passage part. That's are only introducing from text. Now we will discuss about skill development. In this part we get 3 figures that are clues test with clues, clues test without clues and rearranging. From 3, rearranging is familiar to you, which obtains 10 marks and the rest of 2 are not attached to you. Question number 4, which with clues have 10 gaps for 5 marks and another without clues have 10 gaps for 10 marks. Totally you get 25 marks for skill development. It is good to say that these items may have come from text or out of text. Not only for text, but out of text. Till now we get 16 marks. Now we will know about writing part. Dear students, in writing part we get some familiar figures which are very known to you, such as question number 8 is paragraph, question number 9 is completing story, question number 10 is informal letter or email, 10 graph or chart, and question number 11 and the last one is theme writing or critical appreciation. Only critical appreciation is new for you. First one is paragraph. Like Dakhil level, you can get it by textual or non-textual and it has 10 marks. Question number 9, completing story including 7 marks. It may get traditional or creative writing. Question 10 belongs to informal letter or email which is obtained 5 marks. Like class 9 or 10. Graph or chart is also familiar, which is learned in the field level. It may be written with elaborately as marks 10. Now 11, question 11, which is completely new item for you and it takes 10 marks. It may be textual mostly, but sometimes it betrays. Textual poem or non-textual poem may have including. Dear learners, no more today. Thank you everybody and praise for us. At last, I have to talk a speech for you, and that is admitted by all that smoking is a bad habit. It gives nothing to a smoker but gradually leads him to death. It also hampers the supply of oxygen in a body and damage our lungs. Young generation day after day by addicted by drugs. So we must save ourselves from this dangerous habit. Assalamu alaikum.